Hello guys, my name is Nasiru Makuvia. I'm in primary 5. I am at a child PPO at Sayap Local Primary School, Mengo. Children, I'm here to talk about football. Some people act like they know football. Just today, I was at a certain place, playing football. Children were wild, very wild. We never had a team plan, we had nothing. I told my opponent, let's have a team plan. We refused. Then we had an accident. One of them broke their leg. The coach accused me of saying that I can't make a team plan. I was the captain. So children, dribbling skills should be good, and anything for future. Discipline is the number one thing. My fans, have a nice day.